This video will show you how to set up water alert notifications and automations for your smart home system. So you first log into the Building 36 website. Then when you get to the home screen, go to notifications. And we're going to create a new notification. So this one we want to do a sensor activity. So we click on that. So we're going to say water sensor notification. So I have about 5 to 6 different water sensors throughout my house. So in this case, I'll say the basement water heater, the second floor water heater, the washer and dryer, and the 2 sump pumps. If these get triggered at any time, I want to know about it. So I'm going to add myself as the recipient here, so my iPhone. And you can set up filtering so you don't get repeated notifications if a couple sensors trigger in a close proximity at a time. So I'm going to set up that, and I'm going to save that. So now when we go to our notifications, you'll see our water sensor notification here. The next thing, if you have a automated shutoff system, you can set the valve to close if the water sensor goes off. So in this case, we go to the automation here on the left, and we're going to create a new rule, and we're going to call this an event triggered rule. So we're going to say water sensor activate. So I want to automate the water valves. So we're going to say when the basement water heater is activated, I want to close the selected device, which is the water valve, indefinitely. And I'm going to set this water heater is in the unit 1, so I'm going to say the unit 1 water heater at all times. So this rule says if my basement water heater goes off, so the sensor is activated from a water leak, I'll automatically close the water valve for unit 1. And then I would save this. So here is where that rule comes up. Now, in these rules, you have to set different rules for different sensors. So if I wanted to set up that same rule for all the other sensors, I would create a copy of that rule for each of those. So that's how you set up the notifications and automations with our water sensing and shutoff solution. Thank you for listening.